Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see a sorting technique called address calculation sort. Already we have seen insertion sorts, we have seen radix sorts. This is slight different from both the sorting technique, and let us see what it is. So normally, it's based on a technique called hashing. So what we do is we are going to apply a hashing function to every unsorted element in the list. Think that you have got 10 elements. So we are going to use a special hash function to every element. So based on that, we are going to sort it. So let us see how it works. So normally, if you take you know f of I, you can see on the screen, we use say hashing function f of I, so which refers to the first element in the file whose first digit is I. So when I apply this function to a particular number, if I take it as f of 2, this is going to apply the second number in the given digit. So let us see this in detail. So these are the hashing techniques we are going to use. If I give f of 25 gives you the first number. 25 has got the first number as 2, so which is going to give you 2. If I give f of 57 will give you 5. For 48, I'll take the first number 4, then 3. F of 12 is going to be 1, then 92 is going to be 9, and for 33, I'll be getting it as 3. So this is the hash technique we use to what you call arrange the numbers in calculation or address calculation sort. So please be remember we use a technique called hashing, and hashing is going to give you the ith element in a given digit. Right. Now let us see how it works. So when I do it, so once the hashing is done, I'm going to store these numbers in a list. So these are the numbers which I got from 25, 57, 48, 37, 12, 92, 86, and 33. I applied my own hashing function so that I got my first digit. So this can be represented in the form of a list, and this is a list we have taken. So let us see how does it work. We have taken all the numbers from 0 to 9, and so you have to find the number which has got the first digit as 1 will be stored over here. The number which has got the first number as 2 will be stored in this place. Then it is 3, then 4, then 5, then 8, and 9. Excuse me. So these other numbers have no entry for this because there is no number which is starting with 6 and 7. Once this hashing is done, we can take out the number and print it. So look at the case where I can find two numbers which has got the starting number of 3, which is 33 and 37. And what you should make sure that this when you insert more than one number in a single node index, those numbers should be arranged. So we have got 38 and 32 and 37. So when you insert it, you see that 32 is inserted first, followed by 37. And take out the number from the nodes and place. When you place it, you'll be getting 12, 25. You'll get it as 32, followed by 37. You'll get 48, 57. Then you will get 86 and 92. Finally, all the numbers are arranged. What was the technique we used? We used a technique called hashing technique. So this is one of the very interesting and very easiest sorting technique. Only thing is you have to find the hash function for every element to be sorted, right? So please remember all sorting techniques we have done with insertion sort. Insertion sort was something, the given element we are going to divide into two parts. One is sorted, other one is unsorted one. From unsorted part, we used to take one element and place it in the sorted one. So this was continued till we empty, till we reach the last element in the unsorted part. That was about insertion sort, and that we do in our day-to-day life. Next was address calculation sort. This is what which uses a technique called hashing. And the third was radix or radix sort. Radix sort, we use something called buckets or classes. So based on the the given data, if the given data is of numbers, we can take 0 to 9, 10 buckets together. Or if it is for alphabets or words or names, so we are going to take 26 buckets or classes, or we call it as radix. So because we have got 26 alphabets. So next we are going to find out the number of passes. If there are three numbers, the highest digit has got three digits. So we are going to make three passes for that. In every pass, we are going to find LSB, least significant bit, and put it in this. Then you are going to find the number in the tens place and put it. And the next pass, you are going to find the number in the hundred place. So this will be continued if the number has got only three digits. And if it is for alphabets, then also you have to find the number of alphabets in that, and you have to repeat based on that. And only difference is if it is for alphabets, you need to take 26 bucket, and if it is for numbers, you need to take 10 buckets. So this is all about sorting. So please remember three important sorting techniques. One is insertion sort, radix sort, and address calculation sort.